With digital transformation, we never know what exactly is coming next. Success takes flexibility, imagination, and reliable partners. So for organizations working in areas like finance, government, healthcare, and manufacturing who are transforming their workflows from paper to digital, the power of the Alaris S2000 Series Scanners is the ideal solution. The S2000 series provides the right experience, redefining ease with the latest and improved feeding function for a variety of business documents, including exception types like passports and ID cards. Controlled stacking and active feed technology deliver unprecedented document handling. That's meaningful time saved that you can spend with your customers. The S2000 series is the right fit for any set of budget or infrastructure needs. With USB and network models, you can connect directly to the cloud or on-premise apps. And with network models, Web API integration lets you scan with no drivers installed, on PC, tablet, or mobile. Best yet, the S2000 series delivers the right results. Advanced LED illumination brings clarity to images, minimizing folds and wrinkles, which means less time burned on errors and rescans. And the fully embedded image processing with built-in processor means no need for expensive PCs to be doing the work. Welcome to the new world of versatile, powerful, and stress-free scanning. The S2000 Series Scanners. Turn data chaos into business opportunity.